Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to find favorites in Canva. First step, log into your Canva account. Then, if you're looking for a project you favorited or starred, click the Projects tab in the menu on the left. Next, click the Expand menu button in the top left corner. Under the Your Starred heading, you can see all the projects you've previously favorited or starred. If you want to see the templates, photos, and graphics you've added to your favorites, click on Templates in the menu on the left. Then click on the Starred Content folder. Here you can find the elements and templates you used and favorited while creating your projects. I hope this quick how to find favorites or starreds in Canva tutorial video was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.